Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial, and in this video again I have come up with 5 amazing Android tricks which gonna amaze you for sure. So let's go and check them out. So guys, this video on top 5 amazing Android tricks is going to be the last video on the Android tricks for this year. So make sure you watch this video till end. This is gonna be very helpful for you. So let's go and jump to the first trick. So guys, I'm very sure that this thing has happened to you. Like let's say your friend has shared his Wi-Fi with you, but he or she is not willing to tell his or her password with you. So in that case, if you want to know his or her password, the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, for that you can do this trick very easily. So what you need to do here in my phone, in my phone, as you can see, I am connected with one of my friend's Wi-Fi. So how I can just get the password of it? So for that, you just need to tap on this Wi-Fi. Then here you need to click on this QR icon, share. So once you get this, you need to take a screenshot from here. So once the screenshot has taken, then head to your browser, and here you need to search here for a website called zsing.org. So you can see the first website zsing.org. So here what you need to do, here you need to upload, you can choose the file, I mean the QR code, the screenshot which I just took. So here you can see this is the screenshot. So once it is uploaded, just go for the submit button. Once you will submit, this website will process the QR code and it will show you its password, and it is exactly the password 9 times 8. So like this you can use this trick very easily, and not only you can use the Wi-Fi, you can share the same Wi-Fi with your another friend also. Guys, let's jump to the second trick. Guys, if you want to use the premium versions of many applications and without purchasing it, so there is a very simple way to get them in a very quick time. So for that you need to go to you need to have Telegram in your phone, and let me show you. Let's go to the Telegram at first. Here you can see the Telegram. Then search here for a page called Premium Mods. Premium Mod. Okay, so here you can see the this page Premium Mods bot. So just tap on this, and here once you tap on the start, like it will ask you a few questions, like tap on the continue, and here you will have a few options to download the mod versions of this APK. Like if I want to download the mod of Lightroom, so if I tap on this, a message will be sent, and as soon as the message is sent, the Adobe Lightroom's premium version is sent to me as mod. Okay, you can see now from here you can easily tap on the download and you can install it in your phone. So like same way, here are a few other options also, like if you want the Netflix or Voot, or let's say KineMaster Pro, like this. So here from here you can easily get them. Okay, so Amazon Prime and Netflix, tap on this, just send the message, and then they will send you the respected applications. So guys, that was the next trick. So guys, just go there and enjoy all the premium features for free. Now it's time to show you the next trick. Guys, let's say you want to wish someone on their birthday at the dot 12 am, or guys, let's say you want to send someone message at very specific time and you just don't want any delay. So in that case, what you can do, you can schedule your messages. Yes guys, you can absolutely do that without installing any third-party application. For that, your own messaging app in your phone can do you a big favor. So for that, open now I'm going to show you. I'm going to open my message, the normal messaging app here, and now I'm going to just quickly send a message just after 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to quickly schedule a message to 10:51. So let's quickly send a hi and hold on this and pick a date. So it's going to be 2020. It's going to be 22, and the time is just going to be 51. And just go next, save, and just send the message. Now it's 10:51, and here you'll see I have received the hi here. So just after 1 minute, the hi is sent to that message. Now guys, let me show you the next trick in our video. So guys, now the next trick is about how you can easily remove any video background without installing any app. So I'm gonna show you. Let's head back to the browser, and I have downloaded a demo video for you. And I'm gonna remove that video's background. So for that, you need to go to a website called unscreen.com. You can see remove video background. Go to the website and here upload the clip. So go to the files. So you can see the video 2.69 MB, and let's select the video. So you can see the video is now getting uploaded. So while it is getting uploaded, now let me show you the original video. I have sent this video to one of my friend in my WhatsApp. You can see so you can see this is the original video, and I just want to remove the background of this video. So let's head back to the website. I think the video will be processed. So yeah, it's 58% done. So give it some. So now it is done, and here you can see the video background is removed totally. Now you can add your green screen to it and you can use it anywhere. So guys, that was the fourth trick in our video. Now guys, time to show you the last trick in this video. Guys, if sharing an image to any of your friend giving you a lot of a hard time because you have to download that image and you have to search it in your gallery, then you are going to send it to your friend. In that case, I'm going to show you a very quick trick which is going to be very useful in your daily life. So for that, I'm just going to show you a quick demo. Let's go to any browser and let's search here for any image which you want to search, which you want to share to your friend. So here I've searched for this car image. This looks really nice. So let's hold on to this image and then tap on this copy image. Now go back wherever you want to share the video, and then you can share it anywhere. So let's go to the WhatsApp and I'm gonna share it to one of my this friend, and here you can see the image copied is right here. So if I tap on it now, if I just send it, so it will be directly sent. Isn't that cool? Without downloading this image, without even going to your gallery and searching for that image, you can just quickly copy it and you can send it to your friend. It's gonna also save your phone memory. It is now sent. So guys, that was the top 5 amazing tricks of this video. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Don't forget, hit the like button and also press that bell icon and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel. See you soon in our next video. Stay tuned and have a great day.